How to create Trust Wallet account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. First of all, you have to make sure that you have successfully installed the application Trust Wallet on a device. Once it has been installed, open it. It will land you on Space. Now tap on Create New Wallet right here. Now you have to create a passcode for your account. Make sure that you remember this passcode in order to unlock your wallet. Re-enter the passcode. You can enable the Face ID too. Tap on Allow. Once the Face ID has been enabled, now click on Enable Notifications. Tap on Allow. And there you can see that your Trust Wallet account has been created successfully. Now you will be able to use your Trust Wallet account. That's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.